Once upon a time, there were two farmer brothers who set out on their travels. The older brother was rich and had a big stallion to ride. He was greedy also. The younger brother was very poor and only had a small mare to ride. He was very kind and generous. The younger brother also brought his daughter with him because she wanted to be a part of the journey. After traveling for some distance, the brothers saw an inn and decided to rest there for the night. When they woke up in the morning, they were surprised to see that there were 3 horses in the stable. It was a little baby horse. The older brother said, "This horse is very strong, just like my horse. So, there is no doubt that the baby horse is mine." The younger brother opposed and said, "The legs of this baby horse are just like my mare's. So, there is no doubt that this horse is mine." The little girl saw the horse and was very happy. Finally, she had a companion. The little girl would always be with the horse and take care of it. But the brothers continued arguing about whose horse it was. The king poses a riddle. Word soon spread and the king heard about the brothers and their argument about the horse. So, the king decided to test the brothers. He asked them a question and whoever is able to answer it will be the owner of the horse. The king asked, "What are the fastest, fattest, softest, and most valuable things in the world?" The older brother wanted to impress the king so that he could get the horse. So, he said, "The king's horse is the fastest thing in the world and the king's cow is the fattest." He further added, "The bed of the king is the softest and the most valuable thing in the world is the king's daughter." When the king asked the poor, younger brother, he had no answer. But the little girl had an answer to the question. She said, "The cold north wind is the fastest in the world. The fields that give us crops and food are the fattest. The softest is a child's kiss and the most valuable thing in the world is honesty." The king was thoroughly impressed with the girl's answer and hence the horse was given to the little girl.